Now we can go pretty quick on this because we've already done this stuff. This is just kind of like a last minute go over kind of thing. Remember with subtraction of polynomials, it's important to change the sign of everything after that subtraction. Everything in the parentheses after it, make the opposite. So the first set of parentheses doesn't change. 3x squared minus 5x. But this x squared will become negative x squared. I'm going to put it under my other x squareds. We'll have negative 4x. We'll have negative 3. Now keep in mind, negative x squared is like negative 1x squared. So 3x squared minus 1x squared would be 2x squared. These are both negative, so just add them together and keep it negative. 5 plus 4 is 9, so we'll have negative 9x. And then bring down your minus 3. All right, we have enough. This one's addition, so we don't have to change anything. 2x to the third minus 4x squared plus 3. We'll stack these in the appropriate columns. So we'll have 1x to the third. We'll put it with our other x to the thirds. We have negative 3x squared. And then we have the plus 1. So x to the thirds, we have 2 of them, plus another one, 3x to the third. The x squareds, they're both negative. So just add them together and keep it negative. 4 plus 3 is 7. So we have negative 7x squared. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. All right, 21. Ooh, that looks fun. We'll keep the first one, 3y to the third. I see it dips down to 11y, so I'm going to leave a little space in case there's a y to the second power, which I could see on the right that there is. Then we have our plus 3. We have subtraction, so we'll make everything the opposite. We'll make it negative 5y to the third. The y squared will become negative y squared. And then we have the plus 2, so that'll become minus 2. 3y to the third minus 5y. 3 minus 5. You have $3. You owe someone 5. You're short $2. Then we have our minus y squared. Then we have our minus 11y. And then you got your 3 minus 2. That's a 1. That's a 1. All right. Make sure I don't mark this up. You, over that. All right. We have, I'm going to put these in standard form. I see they started with the x to the second, and then have the x to the third. Oh, they're trying to fool us. They're just silly like that. So I'm going to write my x to the third first. We have subtraction, so we'll change everything after. So negative 3x to the second, negative 7x, and positive 1. So check this out. We'll bring down our 2x to the third power. For the x squareds, we have positive 3 minus 3. Those cancel each other out. So there won't be any x squareds. So you could write plus 0x squared, but then you're going to have to rewrite it without it. So I'd say just skip writing that. We have the negative 7x and the plus 1. I'm just going to mush these together. 2x to the third minus 7x plus 1. Great. Let's try some more. Let's get into 9-2 stuff. 9-2 was where we were multiplying these binomials with polynomials. So here we'll start something simple. 4 times a is 4a. I just made my 4a into math. And then 4 times negative 3 gives you negative 12. Let's see, negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And negative 5 times negative 2, negative times negative is positive, so positive 10. All right, I'm going to start the next video. Yes!